Hi guys, welcome back to Bryan's Thailand. Today we're going to do a new update on the project at the Plantation. So let me show you around and what we're doing and what's been done. Right, this is the garage. Like I said before, this is the storeroom, one of the storerooms. I'll have sliding doors in here. I just finished doing the rendering. This is going to be the utility room for wash machine and things like that. Right, the back, put the roof system in, which is a tri-panel system. I'm actually using a different camera today. I'm using the DJI Osmo Action I'm using a next wireless mic system, so I mean it's clear. That's where I've just come in from the garage. You can see things are starting to take shape. Walking into the living area and dining area. And that's the kitchen area. As you see, they're putting all the insulation in and the Egyptian ceiling with a stepped ceiling system. This is stepped because this is where the curtain rail goes. And then let's see, show you a bit better. Now I'll find out what the R rating is on the installation. Again, you can see the data line that run all the way throughout the building. Wow, they're moving quick here, like. Into the master bedroom. Ceiling. I've got the installation there for the aircon system. All the lighting is done. So still on doing the first fix of the electrics. Okay, here it is. Yeah, it's the same stuff I used in the Petroleum. It's an R17 rating, which is pretty good. Well, it's great. It's good. It's soundproofing, and it's also good as insulation. Yeah, throughout all the junction boxes up there, all the power points. And for the bathroom, right on here where you see the dot and dab, they actually put this mesh stuff. I don't know if you can actually see it properly. Yeah, this mesh stuff, and the basic you run it across this and across here, so it'll be like a few inches over there and a few inches over there, both fully covered. And then they skim it, and that's what they've done already inside, and I'll show you a bit on the outside that they've done. Yeah, all the fixing bolts for the self-tapping screws for fixing down the tri-panel wall, tri-panel roofing system, which is up there. I might get you a better look. Maybe some panels kick them out, I can show you. A better look. let's go into the second bedroom. So electrical work's being installed above the ceiling and brought down through from the sockets and power supply and light switch. Okay, here we go. So here's the mesh. As you see, they brought the mesh straight up and over, so when the skim, which is, it's roughly, I think nearly 15 mil of skim that goes on this, and this is all keys into this. There you go. So if you can see that, so you don't get any cracks forming, you know. The system there. That's all for the aircon. I went to the bathroom here. And this is into the third bedroom. This is the walk-in closet area. And then back into the third bedroom. See, look at here, the pipework, the cold feed. It's actually got rubber insulation on it, which is absolutely great stuff. I don't see this happening on many other builds in Thailand. And this is the control room for the power, 3-phase coming in, which will be coming from there. There'll be a control board on here and all that coming in, so everything's fed in from there down. And then we'll have a, I don't know if they're doing a hot water system from here. I don't see. So that's on the inside. There you go. Obviously they've got a bit more to cut out up there. A bit more here. Nice big door openings. Well, it's looking amazing. I'll stick the drone up and give you an aerial view of it as well. Alright, down onto the pool now. So they put a texture on around the pool for Thailand, and this is actually going to be over here the holding tank for the Infinity Edge. So it's a big deep holding tank. And then on top of here you'll have what you call the pump room on top of here, so there'll be a floor put in with an access hatch put in, and so the irrigation system will be installed here. The water supply for the house will be put in here, the pump system, and the pool pump system will be fitted. So this is it so far. I think about another week and it'll all be rendered, week and a half. see they're starting to fit the mesh on here. I'll start going across there. Yeah, good. Okay. There we go. It's good how sharp they get the corners on here. They do an amazing job. You know, as you can see, they've done this wherever the support is, the concrete support reinforcement is. We'll put this mesh system on before render. For lighting. I mean, I love this style of house. I think it's amazing. Well, a great design. Okay. Try and get out of this labyrinth. Okay guys, that's it for now. I'll put the drone up, show you around, but that's it for now, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay, bye for now, bye guys.